Hi everyone, welcome to Career Clue, your go-to channel for interview tips and career guidance. In this video, we will cover the top 10 AutoCAD draftsman interview questions and answers. Let's get started. Question number 1. Tell us about yourself and your experience as an AutoCAD draftsman. Answer. I am an AutoCAD draftsman with X years of experience in preparing 2D and 3D drawings for architectural, mechanical, and civil projects. I have worked closely with engineers, site teams, and project managers to prepare accurate drawings as per standards. My work includes detailing, updating revisions, and preparing shop drawings and as-built drawings. I focus on clarity, accuracy, and completing tasks within deadlines. Question number 2. Which AutoCAD commands do you use most often? Answer. I frequently use line, polyline, trim, extend, offset, fillet, copy, move, hatch, blocks, layers, and dimension tools. These help me work faster and maintain drawing accuracy. I also create custom shortcuts for repetitive tasks to improve productivity. Question number 3. How do you organize layers in your drawings? Answer. I organize layers based on project requirements, architectural, civil, MEP, annotations, dimensions, and center lines. Each layer has its own color, line weight, and line type to avoid confusion and make coordination easier for the whole team. Question number 4. Do you have experience with 3D modeling or other CAD software? Answer. Yes. Along with AutoCAD 2D, I have experience with AutoCAD 3D and basic exposure to Revit, SolidWorks, and SketchUp. 3D helps in visualizing complex designs and detecting clashes early. Question number 5. How do you ensure accuracy in your drawings? Answer. I ensure accuracy by using OSNAP, OTRAC, grids, and precise dimensions. I double check measurements, follow standards, and review drawings before submission. I also use templates and standard blocks to maintain consistency. Question number 6. How do you prepare and update shop drawings? Answer. I start by reviewing the project specifications, consultant drawings, and site conditions. I coordinate with engineers to understand exact details like levels, dimensions, materials, and installation methods. When updating, I follow the marked up comments carefully, highlight the revised areas, and verify all dimensions again before submission. I always ensure that the shop drawings match the latest approved revision to avoid conflicts on site. Question number 7. How do you coordinate your drawings with other disciplines? MEP, civil, architectural? Answer. I coordinate by overlaying multiple drawings using XREFs and layers. This helps identity clashes like duct versus beam, pipe versus wall, or layout mismatches. If I find a conflict, I make it clearly and notify the engineer or concerned department. Proper coordination saves time on site and prevents rework. I make sure the final drawing is fully aligned with all disciplines before submission. Question number 8. Have you automated any tasks in AutoCAD? Answer. Yes, I use dynamic blocks, title block templates, layer templates, and standard annotation styles. I also create tool palettes for common symbols. These annotations saves time and ensure consistency across drawings. Question number 9. How do you manage files and revisions? Answer. I follow a clear file naming structure based on project, discipline, and revision number. I keep backups, maintain a revision log, and ensure everyone works on the latest version. Good file management avoids confusion and is essential for smooth coordination. Question number 10. Why do you want to work with our company? Answer. Your company has strong engineering standards and handles interesting, well organized projects. I want to contribute my drafting skills, work with experienced teams, and grow professionally. I am confident I can provide accurate, clean, and coordinated drawings that support your project goals. That's it for the top 10 AutoCAD Draftsman interview questions and answers. If you found this helpful, like, share, and comment which drafting or engineering topic you want next. Subscribe to Career Clue for more interview tips and career guidance.